let's talk about how we find the equation of a line. So if we want to do that, we need to have two things. The first thing that you must have is you must have the slope, or m. And the second thing you must have is you must have a random point. Any x, comma, y will work. Now, once you have that slope and that x comma y, we are going to take our y equals mx plus b form, and we are going to simply plug in the y that we have, that's the point we have, the m, the slope, and the x from our point. And what that does is that leaves alone this variable b. Once we plug in y, m, and x, we can then go ahead and find b, and we're pretty much done at that point. So let's look at an example. So again, here are our steps. We're going to plug in m, x, and y into y equals mx plus b. We're going to solve for b. Once we have b, and we already know m, we're going to plug m and b into y equals mx plus b, leaving x and y as variables. So let's look at this first example. Find the equation of the line that passes through the point 2, negative 3 and has slope 5. So let's write down what we know. We know that m is equal to 5 and that our point 2, negative 3, that's our x, and that is our y. So we write down y is equal to mx plus b, and we fill in what we know. Well, we know that y is negative 3, m is 5, x is 2, plus b we don't know. So we get negative 3 is equal to 10 plus b, and so b is equal to negative 13. Great. Now we once again go back to our y equals mx plus b, and we plug in our m, so y is equal to 5x, and we plug in our b, which is negative 13, and that is the equation of our line. Y is equal to 5x minus 13. If the problem asks you to put it in standard form, all you need to do is bring the 5x over. So we get negative 5x plus y is equal to negative 13. And we switch all of our signs. We multiply everything by negative 1. And we get 5x minus y is equal to 13. And that is the same equation written in standard form.